We have relationships with a few clients, and on a national level, one of our clients is putting in charging stations really around the country at dealerships. So we are their local go-to and partner in installing these.
Certain chargers work with certain vehicles, so this particular charger works with the Hummer that they want to charge.
So as they get the new vehicles in, and it's probably not just stopping with the Hummer, they're going to have new lines coming in. They're going to need to be able to accommodate the charging and the servicing of the new vehicles coming in. So, you know, it's really part of their overall long-range strategies.
I look at the location where they're going to put the service in the service area, where they're going to put a charger in there to service the vehicle. I also look on the outside of the building where we can put the exterior charger. Typically, it's closer to the service that's coming in. If I'm going to put a new service on the building, I'm going to try and locate that new service close to the new chargers that are going in.
Well, first of all, it's exciting to be part of a new technology and the installations that brings. It makes us train our people better. It helps us to broaden our horizons and broaden our customer base. And we hope that, as we do with all our projects, that once we've opened the door to a customer, that we stay with that customer. It's one of our key philosophies.
We've had hospitals have called and asked about putting charging stations on their facility for their doctors in the employee parking lots. I've had condominiums call and ask to put it in their parking garages for their residents.
Our people are excited about it. It's something new for our people to work on. It's different. We're known as a healthcare contractor, and this really broadens the possibilities for our people.
Partnering with them to make sure that we're sensitive to their operations, modifying their electrical systems to accommodate the new EVSEs that are coming in. So it's that partnering in. We do that across the board with a lot of our clients, just to make sure that we're integrating what they need with what we're able to do for them.
But the part that's unsaid most of the time is they're concerned about their customers, they're concerned about their staff, they're concerned about safety, they're concerned about their facility, and all those things come into play when we walk in and start an install like this.
Each company that puts out a charging unit, ABB or ChargePoint or anybody that puts out a unit, they have their own modules that you need to be trained on in installation and startup. Through NTech, you learn a lot more than what you can learn on a module about the physical charger. You learn about the voltage drop, you learn about the continuous load, you learn about the breaker size that's required, you learn about so much more that you can't get in just the charging module.
Our electricians receive training on the equipment, how to install it safely, which makes a huge difference to the owner of the facility.
You know, it really comes back down to installing power safely, properly, putting these installations in so that when they do bring in the new technology in the new cars, number one, it's a safe electrical power installation. Then in the startup and the commissioning of the equipment that they have, that we have highly qualified technicians in place to be able to service them as well.
This market and the electric vehicles are coming out, and it's only going to get bigger. So you want to prepare if you're going to install a new service, prepare for the future and put that money up front in the beginning so that when you get the next one, you're ready and you don't have to go through all this again.